Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss the biological museums. Museum species form the basis of research on evolution, speciation and distribution, and also provide an important baseline for studies of conservation and emerging diseases. They are generally set up in educational institutes such as schools and colleges. Museums have collections of preserved plants and animal specimens for the study and reference. Specimens are preserved in the containers or jars in preservative solutions. Plants and animal specimens may also be preserved and dry specimens. Insects are also preserved in insect box after collecting, killing and pinning. Large animals like birds, mammals are usually stuffed and preserved. Museums often have collections of skeletons of animals too. Children, now let us discuss the meaning of botanical museum. Botanical museum are primarily for popularization of botanical science. With the advancement of modernization of all over system of education and development of visual orientation of studies, it become essential to the place each and every subject in the museum. In the museum, the behavioral accept of the visitors has been studied and suitable visual designs have been developed to the students to understand the subject. For illustrate, to introduce himself with it, scientists to feed their problems, and finally the masses to it in a more scientific manner. Museums are not erected for the preservation of material and protected them from subsequent destruction only, but are primarily meant for promoting scientific research, awaken interest among general public and those disseminated scientific achievements. This is why museums are defined internationally as centers of research, education and exhibition. In the majority of the museums, objects of art and history along with the curious have taken the major share, if not whole, of the museum space. It can be safely to be said that the subject for a museum may be selective or composite as their case may be, but the composition of various topics including their selection should be in a scientific manner. Now let us discuss the functions of botanical museums. Botanical museums have a variety of functions to perform, ranging from the depiction of history of plant introduction, its effects, modeling and designing of different gardens, preservation and methods of utilization of plants and plant parts, not merely for identification but also for their use in economic, medicinal and utilization purpose, and finally to create an awareness of plants as essential ingredients of human existence and life on the earth. Functions of the botanical museums can broadly be classified as administrative, scientific, technical and research, visual education and popularization of information. Some of the most important museums of other countries and Indians are American Museums of Natural History, New York, USA, Museum of Natural History, Brazil, Switzerland, Natural History Museum, London, Zoological Museum in Netherlands, Bird Collection Museum of Natural History, Australia, National Museum of Natural History, Paris, National Museum of Natural History, Delhi, Prince of Wales Museum in Mumbai, Museum of Arthropoda in Pune. Thank you.